In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of Roblox. Now, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Then head over to the option settings. Click on the option account info. Now here, check your age. Keep in mind that you need to be at least 13 years old to use voice chat. If you're under 13, the voice chat feature won't be available. Likewise, you'll need to verify your phone number. Click on the option phone number. Type in your phone number. You'll be receiving verification code in the phone number. You'll need to type in that. And with that, you'll be good to go. Now head over to the option privacy and content restriction. In this section, find communication and you should see the option for voice chat. Click on that option and enable for it. Now what you want to do is enter a game that supports voice chat. Once you're in the game, press the Roblox icon in the top left corner or press skip to pause the game. Then go to settings and scroll down to input device. Make sure you select the correct microphone here. You can also choose your output device to hear other players clearly. Finally, to unmute yourself and start talking, click on the microphone icon in the top left of the screen. And that's it. You are now using voice chat and players can hear what you are saying. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.